Today, we're making one of Italy's most elegant desserts, the legendary Panna Cotta. You can find the translations for both speech and subtitles in 14 different languages in the description below. Welcome to Silent Bites. Let's get started. First, pour 400 grams of milk into a saucepan. Add 200 ml of cream and 50 grams of sugar. And for that final touch, 5 grams of vanilla. The base mixture is ready. Once the temperature reaches about 85-90 degrees Celsius, just before boiling, we stir in 3 grams of Agar Agar. Let it simmer for 2-3 minutes, then take it off the heat. To achieve a silky smooth texture, strain the mixture. Now, pour it into ramekins or molds of your choice. Place them in the fridge for about 1 hour to set. While the panna cotta is chilling, we can prepare the topping. For the sauce, blend 150 grams of fresh watermelon until smooth. Transfer it to a saucepan over medium heat and add 10 grams of sugar. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, add 1 gram of Agar Agar and keep stirring until it comes to a boil. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes, then strain it while still hot. This gives us a perfectly smooth watermelon sauce. Take the panna cotta out of the fridge and spoon as much of the sauce on top as you like. And there it is, the legendary panna cotta, ready to enjoy. Now tell me, which fruit would you prefer on top of yours? Share your thoughts in the comments, and as always, enjoy!